Hey everyone, it's your DIY crypto guy. Hope you guys had a wonderful Sunday afternoon, evening. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial, legal or tax advice. We came to the end of the weekend and as you guys can tell, we had a little bit of a pullback and, looking at the crypto market cap, we're still at about 1.8 trillion and things are kind of maintaining price-wise. Bitcoin at 60,000, Ethereum at about 1,900, Cardano at $1.06. We've seen Cardano pull back a little bit, I guess, because of the positive, scalable news coming out of Ethereum. XRP, it's stagnant at 45 cents. Uniswap 31, just down a tad bit. Market not too exciting. Dogecoin just pulled back under about 6 cents. So again, once the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange opens up on Monday, which is better known as the CME, we may see some either price fluctuation up or down for Bitcoin. In performing some of my research, I noticed that we are seeing some big whales selling Bitcoin. So almost wanting to drive the price down. So very little volume. So again, it's kind of a little wishy-washy. Is Bitcoin going to climb further and appreciate, or is it going to pull back? Everyone's talking about a significant pullback. Again, we just have to see. But in this video, what I'm going to suggest, in my opinion, is do not buy Bitcoin. Some of you may question, like, why would I say do not buy Bitcoin? I believe we are all in this crypto space investment to make money, not to lose money. I'm not saying that you'll lose money with Bitcoin, but to buy Bitcoin, even though I've explained that it is fractional, at $60,000, Bitcoin in regards to making big moves of 5 to 10 to 20%, it's going to take a lot longer. That's why my strategy that I've explained a few times to you guys, but I wanted to hit this for you guys to say a better choice would be to look at the altcoins. Make your 5, 10, 100% gains and take your profits and put them into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think that your potential for growth is going to be greater. And I think that would be a wiser choice. And with Bitcoin just going up and up and up, I think that would be a very good strategy to focus more on the altcoins that you feel comfortable. And there's nothing wrong with looking at the low cap, low price altcoins, but especially if they do have a good use case. I wanted to go into a few articles, and speaking of the altcoins, again, depending on what your resource is, there's a lot of articles out there. You just got to do a bit of research to find out more information about them. But yeah, they're saying here are top altcoins to watch amid Bitcoin breakout, says top crypto analyst Michael van der Pop. Don't know who this guy is, but apparently he has some suggestions, and some of the coins that he's listed, I've heard of Kava, for example. I'm just going to kind of just read quickly what I think he's saying here. I'm looking at Kava, especially given the construction that we have. It flipped from 0.00065 that is in Bitcoin currency, so that's Satoshis, and is looking eager for some more compression before it starts to break out, and then somewhere in the region of 0.0044 Satoshis. I'll just be taking profits. Vanderpump also keeping an eye on SXP swipe, as he believes the pair is building a new base just like Kava. The crypto strategist adds that SXP is undervalued in this cycle and it is down nearly 90% from its all-time high. Buy low, sell high. The third coin he mentions is Wan Chain, which he highlights is down big from its all-time high of 0.001. It is trying to flip some bullish levels, which means that I'd prefer to see 0.00013 hold, which grants you continuation towards the next level of resistance. But still, the overall concept, I mean, long story short, this guy's just picking coins that are not mentioned in the mainstream or on social media, and just trying to pump them. But there's a lot of upward opportunity. But guys, you got to be careful and you got to do your research. Ripple news. Ripple acquires firm with expertise in building trading platforms integrating with crypto exchanges. Long story short, in my opinion, Ripple's going to become a bank. If you look at all their partnerships, if you look at all their tech, digital payments giant Ripple appears to be preparing to expand its network, acquiring an unnamed firm with proficiency in developing exchange platforms. This week, XRP researcher Steven uncovered news of the acquisition in a video entitled Ripple, Improving Our Global Payment Infrastructure with Blockchain, Technology and Data Science, from June of last year, featuring Ripple data scientist person. I'm just going to go through, but in a nutshell, Ripple is going to become a bank of sorts. So Ripple is not shying away from any further expansion or establishing relationships with financial institutions. They're actually growing. So this whole SEC lawsuit it's just theater, and it is distracting us, the retail investor, and also preventing us from investing, which I think is pretty sad. But hodl your XRP. Now, the other thing I wanted to once these prices appreciate significantly, my security strategy, yes, you can get these cold storages or cold wallets in a way. And yeah, it just says crypto wallets in 2021 from hot to cold, here are the options. Is it a good idea to get an external wallet? Yeah. I mean, any form, any line of security from an IT perspective, from a hacking perspective, it doesn't hurt. What I'm going to do is on various cryptos that I hold, I'm going to have a separate laptop for each one. You may call me crazy, but those laptops will only be specifically used for those specific cryptos. So yeah, in these hard wallets, I'll just read this to you. Hardware wallets represent a more sophisticated way to have a wallet, storing currencies on external offline devices. Some of the most popular solutions are Trezor, Ledger Nano X, and KeepKey. These wallets usually come in a form of a small flash drive and can support thousands of cryptocurrencies. For example, Trezor offers two types of wallets, Trezor One and Trezor Model T, which can be purchased for approximately $60 to $193. The Trezor One wallet has two control buttons, and the newly developed Trezor Model T has a touch screen. Again, you have to do your research to see which one works best for you, and having a hardware wallet is not a bad idea. And some people use the term not your keys, not your cryptos. And a lot of people do also keep them on the platforms. But again, once we start reaching these higher prices, it's just something to take into consideration. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to have a little quick video for you all, just to give you a different perspective on what we may be seeing as we wake up tomorrow morning, our time. So hodl strong. And if you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Cheers.